Don't go shopping without a list. Many people make this mistake. You must know beforehand what you need to get at the grocery store for two big reasons. For starters, you'll end up making impulse buys of food you know you can't have in the house if you want to stick to your program and lose weight. By making sure to bring a list with you, you can go right to the food items you need. This way, you can avoid all the junk food that the store lays out in a way that takes advantage of weak-willed or unprepared shoppers. It's a lot easier to avoid buying junk if you don't have to see it. Eat before and after exercise. Properly fueling your body for a tough workout is essential for burning fat. When you skip pre- and post-workout meals, you end up burning away muscle and directly impacting your ability to lose fat. Eat a snack containing carbohydrates and protein 30 minutes or so before your workout, and eat a protein-rich meal immediately after. Read food labels. Foods are not always as healthy as they may seem at first glance. You may be surprised what's in certain foods or how many calories are in a serving. Remember that ingredients are listed in descending order, starting with the biggest ingredients first. Many sugars are hidden by using other words, such as sucrose, dextrose, and fructose, as well as high fructose corn syrup. Stay away from partially hydrogenated oils, as these are a source of trans fats. Don't go to extremes. Extreme dieting can have the opposite effect of losing weight. Most diets drastically reduce calories, creating a deficit that saps energy levels and sacrifices lean muscle along the way. Keep your diet simple. A lot of people make eating and nutrition way too complicated and are always trying to figure out what to eat for their next meal. The more complicated you make your diet, the more likely that you'll fall off the wagon and sabotage yourself. When you're starting out, limit your meal variety and keep things plain and simple. Once you get rolling, you can expand your food choices. Practice moderation. You don't need to totally eliminate all of your favorite foods to lose weight, but you should eat them in moderation. There is no reason to deprive yourself of your favorite foods, but don't use working out as reason to reward yourself with bad food choices. Use an app to track your foods. Tracking food used to be a pain, but it's super simple now thanks to all the new smartphone apps available. People who track what they eat make better, more healthier food decisions and are less likely to gain weight. Give your nutrition your full attention. Once you pick a nutritional program, whether it's Atkins, the South Beach Diet, or Weight Watchers, forget about other programs and stick with it. Give it your full attention and you'll see results. Just like with your fitness program, if you constantly jump around from one diet program to the next, you'll never see the results you want. If you're going to follow a diet program, pick one that is simple. The more complicated it is, the less likely you'll stick with it over time.